The Belvedere Mansion was built in 1907, just as Oklahoma was becoming a state. It is a great place to visit here in Claremore. And while you're inside, grab a bite to eat at the Pink House Tea Room and Gift Shop. It is delicious. Come on in and check it out.
It's a beautiful piece of history, and then to be able to move our restaurant in, it was just like the merger of two perfect worlds.
Spinach quiche.
A few years ago, SHARI BEGUIN had the chance to move Claremore's iconic Pink House Tea Room into another iconic property, the Belvedere Mansion. While the location changed, the menu stayed the same.
It is wonderful. It's great food. Always a great little atmosphere here.
It's a favorite stop for LaDONNA Graves. She's been eating here since she was a teenager.
I think I was introduced when I was in high school, and I loved it, and I've been, coming back since.
The Pink House originally opened in 1982 and changed hands a couple of times until SHARI's mom purchased it in 2007. The menu is a mix of her family recipes and the original owners. All of it made from scratch, dressings to desserts, right down to the bread.
You can definitely tell. Makes a big difference.
It's very good, very good.
Mother's Day was Leanne Turbott's first time in. She's back today with a friend from out of town.
Well, we like the hot teas for sure, but we had a coconut cream pie that was really good on Mother's Day. And then today we're getting to try something new.
They started with the bestseller, the spinach artichoke dip. For lunch, choose from light to hearty.
Lots of salads, sandwiches, wraps. We have Reuben sandwiches, California Club sandwiches, enchilada casserole.
SHARI's favorite is an original recipe from the original owner.
Chicken salad, like a chicken salad sandwich or chicken salad wrap or chicken salad salad. The chicken salad's my favorite of anywhere.
One of the most popular items is the homemade quiche.
It's just light and fluffy, and it has this great, the crust is incredible on it too, so it's just a really great quiche.
For dessert, try a slice of the banana bread. It's made fresh every day. Or go with the baked fudge, a famous savory staple here.
It's the signature dessert, we like to say, rich, chocolatey, hot, with whipped cream on top.
After you're done with lunch, make a stop in the gift shop, where you'll find all sorts of gifts promoting Oklahoma. The Pink House in Claremore, where the motto is homemade reasons to gather together.
And then have a welcoming environment for you to come in with your family, your friends, your business associates, and have a reason to stay and visit and connect with each other.
In Claremore, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.